Skydoor is a large roof-mounted product with a big door that opens up. It sits on a curb on the roof. The whole purpose is it's giving you access to come up and sort of benefit from your open access on the roof. There'll be a staircase going downstairs, control button at the bottom that allows you to open it and close it. What this does now is it gives you sort of just step by step by step and then stepping out onto your roof. So it's an access product. This operates as a balustrade once it's open, so obviously you don't want people falling in. You might have another wall here, you might have your own balustrade. But when this opens up, this acts as a second balustrade around the product. It operates, it's powered. There's two great big actuators, one at both ends. The linear actuators are basically just a big jack that's pushing. What they're doing is they're pushing against this bar and this bar pushes against the door. So all the force is taken within the actuator itself. It's massively oversized for this unit, which allows us to do bigger products than we've done before. But it's a very smooth operating, very reliable system. And all it is it's two jacks. We have a control box inside underneath this tread plate. That is constantly checking that they're both going together, they're not going out of sync, but they operate together, they close, they open, and it maintains control of it. We're tasked with coming up with a larger product than we had before, so what we chose to do was to keep all the same profiles in the base and the lid, same sort of glass availability, same seals and everything. All we've done is really boost up the mechanism. What we've now got is a much more reliable mechanism. We've tested it 3,500 times, which would equate to several years worth of use. Didn't bat an eyelid, it just kept going. We were able to test it asymmetrically, so with loads off centres if somebody was sitting on a corner or if it was caught by the wind or something like that. So it's very, very strong and powerful. We've built in features like there's a step here, so as you're going over, there isn't that little chasm in front of you. You can actually put your foot on there and it's protected. So what's happening in here is a big lead screw that's driving a nut inside, and that drives this down or up. This is coming down. They attach to the lid, so as the lid is changing angle, they're doing that. So this is a completely self-contained unit just for the purpose of pushing that bar, which then pushes the lid. So as you can see, I've just managed to stop that dead in its tracks. We have this sensor that sends a beam from one end to the other, and it senses any breakage of that beam, and that stops it in its tracks. It doesn't start again, you have to start it again to continue it on its way.